Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. As we come close to another WordPress update, a new beta version is released. Last week we talked about the new default theme 2020 and enhancements on some blocks, including the image block. So what's the problem that WordPress is trying to solve with the image block? Well, there are generally two types of images that are uploaded. Images that have been edited or created in an image editing application, and photos that are uploaded either directly from the camera or haven't been edited. In the first case, the images are usually already optimized for web with an appropriate size and compression. On the latter, images are much bigger, probably taken by a professional camera or smartphone that generates an image of over 5 megabytes. When we upload one of these images, WordPress will scale it down to a default value of 2560 pixels width and height, and that scaled down image will be used instead. Great news, huh? Stay tuned for the next weekly video and make sure you subscribe to get the latest news from WordPress themes and plugins. Have a wonderful weekend!